Do you know the reason for sleeplessness being a significant issue worldwide? Do people aware of the serious health risk of excessive use of electronic device either at the workplace or in the bedroom? Even most of the medical practitioners are not aware of draining earth energy grid, which is technically referred as geopathic stress line or Hartmann line. Also, most of the people are not aware of the consequences of high EMF produced by the excessive use of electronic gadget. So when a person is sleeping in this grid point or under high EMF area, either he may develop sleeplessness or leading to many chronic diseases. Proprietary product Nano Energy Scantenna, found and coined by Guruji Professor Dr. V. Sukumaran, can detect these grid points and the high EMF produced in an area. Scantenna is also used by many professionals like Vastu Pandits, agriculturalists, water diviner and so on. Start your career with this versatile device Scantenna and enhance your career growth by exploring the immense potential of it.